10 tips to get rid of under-eye puffiness or eye bags. Do you feel old and tired because of your eyes? It is really hard to feel fresh and alert when your eyes are tired and droopy because of those annoying bags under them. They are a sign of stress and fatigue. Fret not, as Asian Roots Luxury Spa, Delhi, has come up with some totally handy and effective tips to get rid of under-eye bags and dark circles. 1. Go potato. Slice a raw potato after refrigerating for a couple of minutes into 2 and circle the closed eyes gently with those halves. Place it on your eyes so that it also covers the puffed areas under your eyes and leave it like that for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll notice a tremendous change in those bags as they'll be diminished in size. 2. Milky Way. If you have extremely puffed up eyes, this is the regular regime that you will have to follow. Dip cotton pads in chilled milk and place on your eyelids and relax for 20 to 30 minutes. This will help your eyes in water retention, and it would also cool them off. 3. Oily help. Take chilled water in a bowl and add a few drops of vitamin E oil to it. Now mix the two well. Dip cotton pads in this mixture and place on the eyes for 20 minutes. This will help in reducing the swelling around the eyes. 4. Cucumber relief. Cucumbers are a fantastic natural remedy to get rid of under-eye puffiness. Take 2 slices of fresh refrigerated cucumber and place it on your eyes for 25 minutes. Relax with the cool, soothing slices over your eyes and slip into a short nap. It will help refresh your mind as well as your eyes, and the anti-inflammatory properties of the cool cucumber will naturally help reduce puffy tissues. 5. Chilled tea bags. If you are in a hurry and do not want to go with droopy eyes, then tea bags are the way to go. Moisten 2 tea bags in cold water and refrigerate them for a while. Then place them over your eyes for 25 to 30 minutes. Lie back and relax with the cool tea bags over your eyes. Finish by washing your eyes and face with cold water and dry your skin thoroughly. You would feel relaxed and rejuvenated. 6. Of spoons and iced water. The puffiness of the eyes can be reduced with the help of a glass of ice water and 4 stainless steel spoons. Chill the spoons in the water and then place one over each eye. Keep switching the spoons while letting the other one chill in the glass of water. Keep switching until you see improvement. 8. Egg white. Stiffly beat a few egg whites and apply it around your eyes with a brush. It will result in making the area around and under the eye feel tighter and look less puffy. Leave it on for 20 minutes and then rinse your face in cold water. 9. Green tea bag. Settle down for 10 to 15 minutes with a chilled, steeped chamomile or green tea bag over each eye and then relax. The natural properties of these herbal teas will help bring puffy eyes back to their original size. 10. Hydrate your body. Drink as much water as possible. Yes, it seems counterintuitive when you are retaining water, but hydrating reduces puffiness. So drink a glass of water whenever you notice your eyes getting a little droopy. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.